Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to sketch a quadratic functions. Okay, by two ways. First, we are doing it by completing the square, and next we are by applying the differentiation. Okay, now if you want to do completing the square to sketch quadratic functions, first we have to perform the CTS lah, of course. So we will get it in this form. Okay, fx, oops, I want to use highlighter. Fx equals a x plus b square plus c. Okay, so this is the general form. This is the form for completing the square. Okay, and then next we find the shape from A. Okay, from A, the number in front of the bracket. Okay, over here, if it's positive. Okay, if it's positive, then it's a smiley shape. Okay, but if it's a negative, less than 0, then the shape is frowny face. Frowny shape. Okay, now we find the shape already. Okay, next what to do? We find the maximum or minimum point from B and C. Okay, because from the shape we already know what kind of point that we are expecting. Okay, for example, if A is positive, then the point that we expect is a minimum point over there, down there. And then if it's A is negative, then the point that we are expecting is a maximum point. So how to get the coordinate for the point? Simple. Okay, first we equal x plus b with 0, and then we get the x. So it's a minus b lah. Okay, from here lah, from this example. And then next, how to get y. The value of y is you just bring whatever the value you get here. So the coordinate that we have for this point in this example is the minus b, c. Okay, all these are, and then after that we sketch them according to the points and the curve and the shape of the quadratic function that we get. Now let's do one example. Okay, so for this one, remember to perform CTS, this one must be 1. Okay, so in order to get that one, we have to factorize them like this. Plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now we are performing the CTS for this one, for the whole lot inside. So the 3 is just ignore, and then this is the big box minus the small box plus c. Okay, now what is our c? Our c is minus 3 only. Okay, and then big box has two things. So the first thing is x, and the second thing is just copy the b here, and then I divide it by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. And then to fill up the small box, I just copy paste the 1 over here, 1 over there. Oh, now, and then we solve them. Okay, so x plus 1 square minus 1 minus 3. Okay, and then for this one, 3 minus 3 is 4. So just multiply it. Okay, so it's minus 12. Okay, minus 4, 3, correct lah, minus 12. So now we have the form already. So A is 3, B is 1. Okay, where's the purple? Okay, so this is B is 1. Okay, and then C is minus 12. Okay, so from this one we know that it's a greater than 0, so it's a smiley shape. Smiley shape means we want minimum point. Okay, now next one is this value. What to do? X plus 1 equals 0, x minus 1, and then the y just copy paste. Okay, y equals minus 12. Therefore the minimum point is at minus 1 minus 12. So we are expecting a smiley curve, okay, with a minimum point at minus 1 minus 12. So maybe yes, okay, so sketch minus is over there, so maybe like this. Okay, so this is x, this is y. Now where is minus 1 minus 12? Somewhere here. This is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 12 lah. This is minus 12. So this is our point, minimum point. Minimum point, and then the curve is a smiley. Smile how? Smile down and go up. Okay, so this is our fx. Okay, so if you want to, okay, maybe I zoom it out the whole lot for you to see as a, need to pause it, okay, to refer to anything. Okay, so yes, okay, so maybe you need to pause it to read through everything again. Okay, otherwise I just continue with the second one. Yeah, okay, now let's have a look how to do differentiate by applying knowledge of differentiation. First, we look at x square. If x square is greater than 0, I mean the value lah, the coefficient of x square. If it's greater than 0, then it's a smiley shape. If it's less than 0, then it's a frown shape. Okay, next, find the f prime, the differentiation. Okay, and then after that, we let it to be 0 to find minimum or maximum point. Because at this point, over here, at this point, at the first step, we know already what point that we are expecting. For example, if it's a smiley shape, then we expecting a minimum point. While if it's a frowny shape, then it's a maximum point. Okay, now, so after we get the point already, okay, we locate where the point is, okay, and then we sketch lah accordingly. Okay, okay, now let's do the same example. Okay, so f prime is 6x plus 6. Okay, now, so first step, so first step, what is this? It's a positive, use green lah. Positive, right? Positive means smiley shape, and then we expect a minimum point. Okay, so next step is we find the differentiation. As you can see there, I already get the f prime, 6x plus 6, and then we let the f prime to be equal to 0 to get the what point? Minimum point. Okay, so 6x plus 6, 0, x is minus 1. Now, x is 1. When x is 1, what is the y? Easy, just substitute inside the original function. Okay, 6 minus 1 minus 9. Okay, and then this is what? This is 3 lah. Minus 6 minus 9. Minus 9, 15 minus 12, isn't it? It's a minus 12. So minimum point is at minus 1 minus 12. Minus 12, sorry. So we have the shape, we have the minimum point, we have the coordinate. So just sketch them accordingly. Maybe we do it over here. Yeah? So this is x, this is y. Okay, sorry, my x is horrible. So where is 1? 1, 12. Okay, minus 12 minus 1, and then we know this is the point. Okay, most of the students will make this mistake. You put the point already, and then suddenly you put the smile like that. Okay, this is wrong. Why? Because if you do like that, if you claim this is a minimum point, then this point is more minimum than this one. The one that you claim is minimum, so it's wrong. The minimum point must be at the bottom, the very bottom of the curve. This is not the bottom yet. Okay, so this is wrong. Some of you maybe do like this. Okay, so this is also wrong. As you can see, this is the more lesser value, more minimum point, more minimum than this minimum that you claim this is a minimum. Okay, so this is wrong. This is the correct way. We know it's a U shape already, so it's just U like that. Okay, simple. Okay, don't forget to label fx. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you, or maybe I just zoom in out for you to get the whole idea, perhaps. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.